I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular moving and storage bags. This stuff is great for Christmas decorations, decorative pillows, clothing, all my summer clothing, which we're going to put in all these bags so you can see exactly what you do. They are very similar, but there are some big differences between all 3 of them. I'm going to cover all of that for you. I bought all 3 of them, so you don't have to. You could just pick which one is the best for your situation. I'm going to go over all of that. Right over here, we got the RMOHRO. RMOHRO. This is going to be our ClearSpace, and this is going to be the TAILI. What we're going to do, we're going to go through each one of these individually, and then we'll do a comparison at the very end to kind of show everything for you. So this is the RMOHRO right over here. You're going to get 6 of these. If you don't like this color, you don't like the pack size, you could get more of these. Wink, wink, I would, because these things are awesome. And the thing I do like about this is this one zips all the way down. This is the only one that zips all the way down right over here. We'll get into more of that in a second. You're going to get 6 of these. They do fold down, so if you're not using them, you can just fold them down. You don't have to worry about just having a bunch of empty boxes or bags, rather, just like this. We have handles right over here, which can go over our shoulder, just like that. We're going to put all these clothes in there in just a second. And then we also have a little thing right over here where you could put a piece of paper. It does come with all these pieces of paper right here. You could just use the color coding, or you could write on those. We just color code. It's just easier. Now, to load this one right over here, this could hold about 65 pounds. I don't really have anything like that's super heavy just like that. These zippers, this is a really nice material too. These straps are not adjustable, and none of these are on wheels, and the straps aren't adjustable. So if you fold this clothing down, this is about 75 pieces of clothing. Summer clothing, don't judge my style. I'm just gonna throw these in here so we could do this quickly so you can see what they look like in all of them. Just really like the fact that you have this zipper right down here. You could zip all the way down, so you don't have to worry about kind of going over the top. That's one of the nicest parts about this bag. And thing that I like to load from back to front. It's just easier. And if you're starting to get full here, a pro tip, pull these up just a little bit, and then you can load the rest of the bag. It makes it easier to zipper. You don't have to do that. The zipper won't break if you don't do that. I just find it easier to load. This is also great. We have different comforters for winter, for summer, all that kind of stuff. So we do use that for this one as well as Christmas decorations. This is great for kind of actually mini Christmas trees, because this is about the size of a mini Christmas tree. You kind of get that in there. This is also great for kind of like wreaths and kind of like the garland that goes around the type of outside the door. Just really great for that. Then we're just going to zip this shut just like this. And then you'll see this can go over the shoulder just like that. Super easy. Very impressed with this one. The material on this is great. These do have the longest straps out of all of them. We will get into the comparison in just a second. Let's go to our next bag. This is going to be the ClearSpace right over here. You're going to get 6 of these. These do come in different colors as well, and you can get more than just 6. You can pick whatever pack you want. This one, right off the bat, a couple of differences. This one has a handle right over here. You have the clear pocket right over here. This does not come with any papers or anything to put in, and you can get this over your shoulder. Oops, as well. And they do all fold down if you're not using them. This is what they look like folded up. So let's get the clothing in this one. For this one, kind of a tip if you're using this one, obviously you could put them over top just like that. These are great for toys too. We have some of these for dog toys and also our dog clothes. It's just super easy to put that in here. A nice part for this one is you could see in the whole bag. If you choose, that's something you want. So this for us is better for kind of Christmas decoration, holiday decorations. Hey, we want the 4th of July stuff. We want the Halloween stuff. It's just really easy to go through with this right over here. And this also does have the other handles. Now, this, like I said, this is 75 pieces of clothing. This one is a little smaller, this bag right over here. It can handle the 75 pieces for sure. But there's a little bit more space in this bag. If this was folded correctly, this could, without a doubt, hold the 75 pieces. This one right over here, you probably do about 100 pieces. So just kind of know that right off the bat. I'm just going to show you how this closes up, and then we'll go to the TAILI one right over here. So this one right over here, we got 2 zippers on the side right over here. You got a nice material over here. Both of these are, this one, all of them actually, are water resistant. So if water happened to get on top of these, or maybe you're moving into a dorm and it's raining, you don't have to worry about anything. It's not like it's going to leak through and get your stuff all wet. So that's a nice part about that. This one right over here can go over the shoulder as well. It is a little bit more of a tighter fit, but for this one, you also have this right over here. These straps are not adjustable and it is not on wheels. I already said none of them are. Let's get into our last bag, the TAILI bag. The TAILI bag is right over here. This does come in different colors. Some things to note about this one. We have a clear window right over here. We also have this little ID tag right over there. The cool thing about this is it is double-sided. So when you take this out, so for example, I could put summer right over here. Then when I take my summer clothes off and put my winter clothes in here, I'd have winter on the back. So you kind of use it like that. This one has a strap on the side as well. And then you have the top right over here. This does not go over your shoulder, or doesn't go over my shoulders. Maybe it'll go over your shoulders. But I've not been able to get it over my shoulders. We'll get the clothes in here in just a second. Nice sturdy material on this one right over here as well. And this is kind of I would say this is the second biggest one of the bunch right over here. We're going to get into the comparisons in 1 second. But yeah, these are just really, really great for decorations, for clothing, comforters, pillows, decorative pillows, all this stuff. I personally prefer these over kind of like doing the vacuum seal and all that annoying stuff, just because you could just get stuff in here, get it transported real quick. You know, if you have stuff for just like a cabin, or these are all shorts and stuff like that, you could easily have like to-go bags. I could see putting like pots and pans and stuff in here if you wanted to do that. These are also great for camping, traveling, kids' toys, all that kind of stuff. Outdoor toys, you could use this in the garage for stuff like that as well. And you could just kind of zip that like that. This has the zipper again. For this one right over here, you do have this clear pouch right over here. You could have that there, and then a handle here. So let's kind of go over the major differences of these right over here. So in terms of zippers, this one right over here, the TAILI and the ClearSpace, both have the zippers on the top. The RMOHRO one right over here has it on the top, but it zips all the way down. These two bags do not zip all the way down. In terms of visibility, no visibility on this one right over here. This one you could see right through the pouch. This one you could see all the way through. This, I don't know, for visibility purposes, sometimes you don't want people to see what's inside. That's just fine. I really don't find this a big deal personally, because we do have this little spot right over here where you can kind of put that on. We kind of use this mainly for decorations, summer clothes, stuff like that. This one is kind of just for random stuff. This one is more for decorations, like different holidays and stuff like that. This one has the longest strap. If putting something over your shoulder is important to you, this one is going to be for you. This one has the second longest strap right over here. This one has the shortest. You can't get it on. In terms of handles on the side, this one does not have any handles on the side because this one zippers all the way down. These two both have handles on the side right over here. In terms of material, I kind of think this one is probably the strongest one. These two are kind of a wash. They're kind of about the same. Just really depends on what you're kind of looking for here. All of them are water resistant. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. If you're looking for some great storage bags, again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. I'm thinking if you want to fit a lot of stuff, you're looking for something you could put over your shoulder, this guy is your winner because it does all of that. It does come with these pieces of paper right over here that you could put them in there. They do all fold down. I'd say the second biggest one, if you're going on size, is going to be these guys right over here. That is going to be your TAILI. And this one right over here, the ClearSpace, is the smallest one. Again, they have the handles, but if you're looking to be able to see inside at all times, this one would be the one for you. If you don't really care and you just want to see a little bit, you could do that. They all do have kind of slots for papers. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find the right storage bags for you. And give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful.